So how'd you guys have this binder?
Yes, the $1 million binder.
At what point in time did buying a property together make its way into the binder?
It's like the first couple pages because they were 30, 60, 90-day goals. Probably around 60 days. Even though it didn't come to fruition then, it was still forecasting things that you wanted to do.
Yeah.
We wrote it in early 2021. So I'd say maybe less than 12 months later, it happened. I just now thought of that. Yeah, under a year.
All right, welcome to our property.
Welcome.
Okay, so this is a property that we bought off of our client, and at first we thought we were just going to shut down, clean it up, put it right back on to the OTAs and to our direct booking site. But then we were like, you know what? That's really not the right thing to do for us. It doesn't really emulate our mission, our vision, our vibe, our brand. Mm-hmm. And so we got some work to do.
We gotta up-level it.
Yeah. Take you on a tour?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, so this is the living room. This room is really just getting a repaint and some zhuzhing with the furniture.
Because the thing that drew us to this home, it does have some amazing original things. Like you'll see brick throughout, amazing woodwork. So
that no one's painted.
The bones here are good.
Yes.
We just got to do some details.
Bones are good. All right. So yeah, paint, new furniture. This is a dining room that we're gonna come into next. We're gonna do a better job at using this as a multi-purpose space. We get a lot of work from anywhere, a place for the whole crew that comes to stay here to hang out. Again, new paint. But the real magic, the real upgrade is gonna happen right behind me in the kitchen. Some things we're gonna do in here is new cabinetry, new cabinets with not so many grout lines, new floor that uses darker grout so we can just keep it looking cleaner for longer, smaller window. We're gonna make this a true galley kitchen. It's just gonna show better. I guess it's gonna be able to work in here better. Even if it's a long-term tenant, it's just better flow. We feel better about representing this kitchen. And I don't know if you can see outside, but the gate's broken. And so we're gonna also fix the gate so we can truly be a pet-friendly location. Open the door, Fido can go outside. Guests are gonna love booking this space knowing that they could bring their furry friend with them. Next, we're gonna go upstairs. Nettie, you wanna show them? Ooh, yes. One thing we're gonna do, talk about safety.
So safety-wise, it's just huge for us, and thanks for visiting. We are gonna put in an amazing floor runner here, a carpet all the way up the stairs, and we're also adding some a banister up at the top also that's kind of missing right now.
Yeah, it's slippery right now without the carpet. You also have, we put these in before, but you've got the handrails that go all the way up. And then a proper banister here. In the bathroom though, it is a good bathroom. It looks fine, it's great. It's actually great. But the vanity truly is too big for the space. You're supposed to have more than this. I don't know the exact many inches you need. It's like more than the 3 that are there. So smaller vanity. We're gonna do a toilet that doesn't show the P-trap, so it's gonna be easier to clean, a little taller of a toilet. And we're gonna put some board and batten in the bathroom with wallpaper. It's just gonna photograph better. And it's gonna be really cute. And the rest of the upstairs, we're just gonna paint and get some artwork and just freshen it up a bit.
But one of the things in this bedroom, just for our guests, this works right now, this option. It's a Trundle bed, but we think to give an optimal experience to the guests, we're actually gonna put a queen size bed in here so they don't have to worry about this trundle and making it when they check in. So we're gonna make it easier for them.
All right, this is the bigger of the 2 bedrooms. We're gonna put a king in here. So this queen bed will go in the other bedroom. Put a king in here. Everyone loves a king bed when they're traveling. And one thing, but we don't know if we're gonna show you, but we used to lock off the basement because the owner had all their stuff down there. It's all cleared out now, fresh coat of paint. We're gonna get a new washer and make a really enjoyable place for our guests to do their laundry. But I think that's it.